Today is April 9th, 2026. We'll be doing the chart analysis of gold and silver. Okay, so starting with gold. So here, as you can see that the price has risen sharply. Okay, so from this point on, it has gone parabolic. Now at this point, it reversed sharply, and then there has been some sideways consolidation in this range. Okay, and this is called a bear flag. So it has broken out of this bear flag. Okay, which it is a bear flag, so it usually breaks to the downside. Then it formed another bear flag. Okay, so the price has gone sharply down, and then you can see some sideways consolidation. Okay, and then mostly it will break to the downside. So that is what I think will happen. Okay, now what has happened recently, as you can see here, it has formed an inverted hammer. Okay, so this particular candlestick is very important, this one. Okay, so this is an inverted hammer, which means the price opened at this level. It tried to go above, but there were a lot of sellers at the top. They pushed the price downwards and it closed around this area. Okay, that's why you see the red color of the candle, because the close is below the open, and this whole wick, because it has gone up and it has came down. Okay, so that is what is happening here. So now, as long as it doesn't close above this particular candlestick, I would be bearish on this. Okay, I would not even think that it would even touch the upper end of this channel. Okay, most likely it can just roll over from here. Okay, so let us see what happens in the coming days, but I am not at all bullish on gold. Rather, I think that when it starts falling, the first level of support would be around 42.45. The second would be around 38.86 plus minus 25 points, and the third one around 3450. Okay, look at this consolidation. So there is a lot of consolidation in this area for quite a long time. So if you look at 14th of April to 25th of August, okay, so almost 3 months of consolidation in this area before the price broke up, right? So this is where I would be looking to buy gold. Until then, not touching gold anywhere. I did make some quick profits when this particular candle happened, because this is the hammer pattern and this is quite bullish, the inverse of what you are seeing here. Okay, so in this pattern the price usually goes up. So I made some quick bucks here, and then I'm just waiting for it to roll over and reach my target area, which is around 3500. So that is where I would be looking to buy gold for a longer term. Let us look at silver. Silver is roughly about the same pattern. A huge parabolic move to the top, a sharp down move followed by sideways consolidation, breakdown, and then again sideways consolidation like gold, which will again break down. That is my assumption. Okay, so these are bear flags and it usually breaks to the downside statistically. So I am pretty bearish on silver as well. I do not have any positions on gold or silver. I do have some sovereign gold bonds for a longer term, but nothing for trading. Okay, so it has also formed this inverted hammer pattern, which is bearish. So as long as the price stays below this high, I would not be looking to do anything here. In case it touches here, it goes above this line, and most likely it will retrace from here. Okay, so we'll have to see what happens, but I am pretty bearish on silver as well. So once it rolls over, the first area of support is around 58, the second area around 55, and the third one around 48. Okay, so how did we get to these levels? Okay, so basically the 48 level is coming from long back. Let me zoom out. Okay, so this is what is happening here. So it has formed a cup and handle pattern, a long term consolidation. Okay, so here you have two pivot points. Okay, so one is this one where the price reversed sharply. The second is this one where the price reversed sharply again, and in the third point it just broke out and went parabolic. Okay, so that would be the area of support which would most likely hold up. Okay, so I would be looking to accumulate silver for a longer term at this point around 48, and I would be even averaging it, start averaging around 55 to 48. I would just start to accumulate silver and finish all the accumulation around 48. Okay, so that is my strategy on trading silver. Nothing doing right now, let it just roll over, wait for it, be patient, do nothing. Okay, so that would be the strategy on silver. So that is what I have for today. Let me know in the comments what you think of this, and if you have a different strategy for trading, then let me know as well. And do like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you.